Hello and welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. I am so excited to share this hair growth recipe with you, which is a combination of a few natural ingredients which I have tested and I have seen their effectiveness in hair growth. So please continue watching. First thing first, measure about a quarter cup of water and put in a pot. You really don't need so much water, so make it really small and you get to know why as we go along in the video. Into the pot, add half a tablespoon of cloves and half a tablespoon of coffee. Please make sure that you are using coffee with caffeine in it. Add a tablespoon of rosemary leaves. You can use fresh or dry rosemary leaves. I have tested the effectiveness of cloves and rosemary together and I found them to be very effective when it comes to hair growth. Cook these on the low heat for 5 minutes. Cook on the low heat so that the water does not dry up. Let it cool down and you can transfer it to a jar or a bowl or anything. Then introduce the next ingredient. The next thing we're adding to this jar is aloe vera gel. The reason for which I made use of just a little amount of water is because I wanted the liquid in this content to be 90% aloe vera gel. Aloe vera efficiently hydrates the hair while cloves can have drying effects. So we are making use of so much aloe vera to kind of work against the drying effects of cloves on the hair. So add your aloe vera gel, stir and set aside for 5 hours. 5 hours later, you can strain out the content and use it to moisturize your hair. Why this combination? Cloves contain antioxidants and nutrients that increase hair growth and strengthens the hair. They have vitamins which helps in the proper circulation of blood to the scalp and thereby stimulating hair growth. They also have anti-inflammatory agents that helps in protecting the scalp from dandruff and flakes, and they also help to relieve itchy scalps. The caffeine in coffee stimulates hair growth and stops hair loss, while rosemary leaves helps to keep the nerves healthy, which also increase blood circulation, reduce hair fall and also promotes hair growth. Because I so much believe in this recipe, I'm going to safely store it in several containers. For the first one, I am adding a few drops of peppermint essential oil. This is the one I'm going to start using. I don't want to put everything in one container because I'll be storing them in the freezer. I want a situation that when I'm done with the first one, I'll just take a second bottle to freeze it and use. For each of these other containers, I'll be adding an essential oil just when it's out of the freezer and ready to be used. You don't have to use this every day, okay? You can just use it to moisturize your hair when it is necessary. All you have to do is spray it on your hair and you can go in with an oil or your leave-in conditioner, depending on which method works best for you. It's either you go in with an oil after spraying the moisture and then follow that with a leave-in conditioner, or You can go in with your leave-in conditioner after spraying it and then seal that with an oil. I like that my hair is in these cornrows, so it makes it easier for me to get the hair growth spray into my scalp. Because of the high aloe vera content, making use of a spray bottle will rather stream than spray the moisture onto your hair. So you have to use your hands to get the moisture to every part of your hair. I am using my DIY hair growth oil to seal in the moisture. If you have problem areas like bald spots, then focus on them when using the spray. Following that up with a gentle scalp massage will go a long way to help you achieve your hair goals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. I'll see you in another video. Bye.